breathing exercise apps for Android are designed to help users practice various breathing techniques for relaxation, stress relief, and overall well-being. These applications guide users through structured breathing exercises that can enhance mindfulness, improve mental clarity, and reduce anxiety. The best breathing exercise apps typically feature a variety of techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing, box breathing, and paced breathing, catering to different needs and preferences. Many of these apps include instructional audio or visual guides, timers, and reminders to encourage regular practice. In addition to guided exercises, some breathing exercise apps may offer features such as tracking progress, providing educational resources about the benefits of proper breathing, and integrating with meditation practices. Overall, these apps serve as valuable tools for individuals seeking to enhance their mental health, improve focus, and cultivate a sense of calm through effective breathing practices on their Android devices.